The projectized organization structure is basically a structure where the project manager has the highest authority. The project manager is responsible for hiring and firing the project team resources. The project team resources, they all report to the project manager. In fact, when I talk about the different types of organization structure, I'll share a link to that video in the description below. Someone from the IT industry will eventually stand up and ask this question of why we do not see projectized organization structure in the IT industry. This is actually very common in the construction industry, but not so much in the IT industry. And I think there's a simple reason for it, right? You, as an IT project manager, you specialize in project management. You do not specialize in the skill sets of the kind of people that you are dealing with, your project team resources. Let's talk about a software project. You will have coders, you will have testers, software architects, you will have deployment engineers, release engineers, right? And you, as a project manager, will obviously excel in project management. You may have, let's say, some sort of experience in coding or testing, right? Or in any one of the four areas that I just talked about. But it is impossible that you have experience in all these areas and now you are a project manager. In that case, you actually are a good candidate to work in a projectized environment, but this is not common. Like I said, this is very, very rare. So the fact is, you might not have the technical knowledge of coding, testing, deploying a software, or doing the architecture work for a software, right? And that is why you cannot have people with these skill sets report to you, because when they report to you, you are obviously responsible for hiring and firing them. You are also responsible for their development. So do you even know the latest technologies in all these areas? Do you have experience of working in all these areas, right? And you, as a people leader, since you are going to manage these people, if you work in a projectized environment, you, as a people leader, are responsible to create more leaders. And if you do not know or do not fully understand the kind of work that they do, it is very, very difficult for you to create leaders out of these people. And that is a basic reason why you do not see projectized organization structure in the IT industry. And I'd like to mention here that project management in itself is actually a very vast field. So it's best to go deep in your knowledge and excel at project management itself, rather than trying to develop people management skills, rather than trying to understand all these different skill sets that people in your project team possess. So that's all in this video. I hope you got your answer on why we don't see projectized organization structure in the IT industry. If you have any questions for me, drop them in the comments. Definitely subscribe. We are all about PMP, project management, and other project management related certifications. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye bye.